Here is the XL20i, and it appears to be running at half capacity, which would be 1.5 tons. And obviously it's running in heat mode. It's in the low 40s right now. Just fired up the Goodman and it's already starting to freeze up, so I'm hoping I'll get a steam show from that. It is in the low 40s, humid and kind of rainy, so conditions are perfect for a defrost cycle. And jeez. All mucky and disgusting. Bryant, 2006 Bryant. Trane XL20i 3-ton heat pump from 2011. Alright, let's see what else is running. But yeah, I fired up the Goodman, hoping to get a steam show from that. And also the base pan seems to have thawed out. I don't think this XL15i is running. No, the XL15i ain't running. Yeah, this replaced a York Affinity 2S 4-ton heat pump. Suction's not even warm, which would indicate it has not run in a little while. Very good install right here. Plenty of service access. Unit's plenty far from the house. It's not being impeded by any shrubbery or anything like that. The York was also a damn good install too. And I can hear another heat pump running. I don't know if that's the York Stealth or my grandma's Goodman, or both of them might be running. Oh, the York's running. Or is that the Goodman? That would be the York Affinity, or York Stealth. At least I think that's a Stealth. The owner of the house told me that this was one of the top of the line York products at the time they bought it, so I'm guessing that would be a York Stealth. It's a 4-ton York. I do not know what the model is, and the homeowner does not either. And I think all these houses originally came with York when they were new. Stellar series. Alright, there's the Goodman. Yeah, it is really frozen up since I left. Only got to get that damn suction line re-insulated. Oh yeah, that's very hot.